So how can you mirror your iPhone to the MacBook? Let's get started. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one. So I assume that the MacBook and iPhone use the same Apple ID, and in that case, you can open up the All Apps view on the Mac and go to the iPhone mirroring application. So it is gonna work out most likely for you. You'll be able to connect your phone that way. It's very simple. On the other hand, there are more ways how you're gonna do this. The other option is using the QuickTime player, which is also like a built-in app to the Mac. You can open it up like this, click on the file and start new movie recording. Make sure you have your iPhone connected to the MacBook through USB cable. Make sure that you give access to it on your iPhone. And then from the devices in the movie recording, you'll select the iPhone and basically it will show up on the screen like that. So you can have it mirrored, you can just look at it in real time, but you can also start the recording of the screen directly on the Mac. So that might be useful as well if you want to see like your screen in there, but also capture what's going on directly on the MacBook. So as I say, it depends heavily on what you're trying to achieve, but these are the two most common methods. Outside of that, there is like a third-party software which can get it done too, but I believe that sticking with the built-in methods without installing any software is likely the best idea. Let me know what you think below. Most definitely subscribe for more explanations and straight to the point guides like this one, and I'll see you in the next videos as well.